Blocking someone on Disney Plus can help you manage your viewing experience and maintain privacy. Follow these steps to block a user on the platform. Step 1. Open Disney Plus app. Launch the Disney Plus app on your device or visit the Disney Plus website on your browser. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Profile Settings. Navigate to your profile icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to access the account settings. Step 3. Select Edit Profiles. In the Account Settings menu, find and select the Edit Profiles option. This will display all the profiles associated with your account. Step 4. Choose the profile to block. Select the profile of the user you wish to block. This will open the settings specific to that profile. Step 5. Block the profile. Look for the option to block or restrict access for that profile. Follow the prompts to confirm the action and save your changes. After completing these steps, the selected profile will be blocked, allowing you to enjoy your viewing experience without interruptions.